Hello everyone, I represent Olabam's Creation, and today I want to show you how the use of this yam panda or food processor has really simplified my life. It has made me to be more efficient in the kitchen. It helps me to cut down on my cooking time as I do bulk of the meal preparations ahead of time. The manufacturers call it yam panda or food chopper. I choose to call it food processor because that is what it does for me. I use it to peel beans, chop pepper, onions, cut veggies, make smoothies, salad, pound yam. I do a lot of things with it. Join me as we go on this journey of discovery together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's a way of encouraging me. See, the importance of this food chopper cannot be overemphasized. It comes with a blade. You have to be very careful when using it and when washing. Don't allow children to have access to it. It's very sharp. I'm putting my spinach into the machine. Make sure that your work surface is clean. All my veggies have been pre-washed. All the machines and everything have been washed. I replaced the lid and I'm going to be placing the motor on it. It has 2 speeds depending on how you want it. We'll just do it like a pulse function. Look at it. The next thing we are going to be doing with our food processor is to use it to chop our okra. I've made sure to wash it. I'll be removing the unwanted base from it, and I don't need to do any other thing or cut it again. These are the unwanted parts. I'm not going to be disposing them. I'll throw them in my garden, and I have a small garden. I think I will show you one of these days so that when they decompose it can serve as my organic manure. Then using the pulse function, you will do it until you are satisfied. You can keep checking until you are satisfied. My chopped okra is ready. Now I want to do my pepper and onion mix. You can do onions separately, you can do pepper separately, but for now I need pepper and onion mix because there are some of my recipe that calls for it. I will add my onions and we are ready to chop. Our pepper onion mix is ready. Look at how beautiful it's looking. I'll pack it inside the Ziploc bag, label it with dates, and whenever I need it I'll just bring it out. There are quite a number of things I can do with my pepper mix. One of these days, I will show you what I do with my pepper mix. Look at my packaging. Here is my okra. And here is my pepper mix. Here are the Ziploc bags I'm using. I have 3 sizes at home now, and they seal automatically, and it makes your life a whole lot easier. In fact, every smart woman must grace their pantry with this blessing called Ziploc bag. I want to show you how I use this same food chopper to make my smoothie. I have my watermelon, I have pawpaw, I have my pineapple, I have my bananas, I have my carrot which has already been scraped. You can put as many types of fruits as you want in it, but I just have these 5 fruits handy, so I'll be dropping them into the bowl and off we go. And you see, everything has been pureed. Now I've cooked my yam. I'm going to be putting it inside my bowl. I will replace the lid and we'll use our desired speed even to do it. Now that we are even in dry season, I can add a little water, or you can as well pound it to some point before adding water to it. Wow, our pounded yam is ready. I'll be pairing this with a vegetable soup. Let me know the type of soup you like to have your pounded yam with. I use this same food chopper to prep my scotch bonnet pepper ahead of time, and it saves a whole lot of time for me. Look at the final outcome. I don't want the remnant of the pepper left after chopping my pepper to be wasted, so I brought out my beans that has already been washed. I'll be pouring it into my bowl, and I will crush it and keep inside the freezer. Whenever I'm ready to make my akara or moi moi, I just bring it out, and it has really simplified the work for me. Here is my crushed beans. The next thing I'll be showing us is how to use this food chopper to make coleslaw. Now that's my carrot in there. It's been scraped, washed. Depending on how fine I want my final output to be, I'll be using either the first speed or the second speed. Look at it. I used the first speed for this one because I need some croissants that I'll be using for meat pie. So I'll take out the ones I need for meat pie and continue. This texture is a bit too fine for my coleslaw, but I will still manage it. I didn't control the speed well, so I'll still leave a little more portion that I will use for carrot powder. By the way, I'm into skincare products, so that carrot powder, I'm going to be adding it into my organic soup. I have my cabbage here. I've not yet fully washed it. I'll show you how I'm going to wash it. What I just did was to remove the stem and the dead leaves. Then I will cut it in chunks into my food chopper. Don't allow your speed to be too high so that it doesn't give you too fine texture. Look at it. Our cabbage is ready. I prefer to add salt to it before washing. After adding the salt, I will just squeeze it like this. You will see that it emits some smell. So all those dirty things, and salt will help to get rid of jam. If you like, you can add vinegar, but I think I'm okay. I've been using salt for ages and it's been working for me. So you squeezed it, and aside from the fact that this washing helps to remove the jam, it makes it soft to taste and ready to eat. So let me go wash it up. I'm going to be changing the water 5 or 6 times, and I'll come back to show you. Here is my washed cabbage. Here is my crushed carrot. The list of things you can do with this food chopper is endless. Just try and allow your creativity to run, and you will see that there are still many more that you can add to this. Look at my plantain. I'm going to be using it to make plantain swallow. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be breaking it here. Watch out for part 2. There are still a lot more you can do with your food chopper. Just stay glued to this channel. We have lots of educative content for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for always standing here by me.